thumbnail image. I'm guessing it's doing it now. Yeah, it's a little bit slow, honestly. Okay, great. It's actually making the thumbnail image. Okay, and look like it worked. We can see here we have the keywords, we have a summary, we have a YouTube title, descriptions, hashtags, Instagram, TikTok. And if I hit here, we can just upload another video. If we will go to history, we could see the video. But as you can see, something is messed up with our layout. So let's take a photo of that. And we'll put it in Lovable and we'll tell them something is messed up with our layout in the history page. And we'll send it to Chen Todney. Okay, let's see if you understood. The grid layout is irregular, some items wider. Okay, let's implement the plan because I'm lazy and we'll see what will happen. Okay, I can see the SRT file does the downloading now. I think we should also have some kind of download metadata button. So let's take a picture here and we'll tell them, let's add download metadata button as well here. We can place it next to the upload another video button. It should download text file of the metadata. Okay, we will let them finish. And let's pass that. And now let's check the history page and if he fixed it. Looks like he fixed it, but we don't really show the thumbnails properly. So, but it might be a problem of our own. So let's go to Supabase and check what's going on in the thumbnail images. Yeah, no, it should show it. So, okay. So, but everything is great. It's actually working. Okay, so let's go here. I think we should also have like a audio play. Okay, so let's say we have the thumbnail image and we have a play button on top of it. And it just played the optimized audio. So, okay, let's start writing to Lovable. We want to edit the history page, pop-ups, design, and function. In the photo I attached, you could see we have the metadata, which is great, but I want to change the header section of it. One, we should change the download all button to metadata download button. We should have, wait, let me add it as 2. We should have another download button for subtitles. So let's say it's like download subtitles SRT. You know what, it's a download icon. You know what, let's do download icon also next to the metadata. wait, 3. We should showcase the video thumbnail image in an image container block, which can be 16 by 9. The image thumbnail block should have a play button icon, and it should play or pause the optimized audio that is linked to that video. Make a plan to make all those changes. Chat and send. Okay, so again, what I want to do, the whole thing I just told him, I want to change this button to 2 buttons, subtitles and metadata. That's one. Besides that, I want to have a thumbnail image, and I want on the thumbnail image to have a play button, which if you play it, you will play our optimized audio file, because we don't have the actual videos, right? We have only optimized audio. I think it will be great, because users could even play it through here, you know? So let's see what will be his plan. Okay guys, so let's see what he done. Now when I'm uploading a video, it will start to convert it. It should create optimized audio. Then it should create the thumbnail like you see now. Now it's transcribing the content with Whisper AI. After he will do that, he will send it to GPT-4o Mini. That's the point. And then it generates the content. He will populate our metadata tables in a Supabase. And then he should present us everything. Okay, great. He's presenting us everything. We can download metadata. We can upload another video. If we will go now to history, we will see the video. We will have subtitles download button, which actually include the subtitles, as you can see. And we have metadata download, which download a text file with all the metadata. And of course, we have the metadata itself, which is a YouTube title, description, hashtags, Instagram, and so on. So, and on top of that, I can play the video audio and mute it, play it. So that's really, really cool. Another small feature now I want is to be able to play the audio also from here. So let's take a screenshot, go to Lovable and tell him, I want to be able to play the audio from the play icon, from the thumbnail images in the history page. Meaning when I'm hovering on top of any video, we should see a play icon, which when I click on it, should play the optimized audio of that video. We have the same function already in the pop-up component of any video in the history page. So again, about prompting, you really need to describe what you want. You need to give examples. If you have it already working somewhere in your platform, tell him about that, that he won't try to make something new. He's very lazy, so try to make him the easiest possible way to do those stuff. Okay, great. So look like it worked. Now when I'm going to history, I play here. It's actually playing it. Perfect. Right now I'm trying to solve the issue where for some reason in Lovable I can't see anything really. Like I can play the audios and stuff like that. And yeah, and sometimes the chat mode collapses. So let's send it again. I want to fix it. And then what I want to do is, as you can see, the video names are so much ugly. I don't want it. I wanted to use the actual title it's generating. So I think we will just going to use the YouTube title. So yeah, we will do it after we will fix this lovable preview thing. Okay, I wasn't able to fix it. For now, I'm leaving it. So as I said, now I want to make sure the title that presented here in the video cards is actually the title that it generated for the YouTube titles. So let's take a picture and tell them. I want to make sure the titles that presented in the video cards are the titles that we generated for the YouTube video title instead of the file names. And I always doing chat mode because I want to make sure you understand what I want. Okay, let's end it. In the meantime, we actually can delete and clean up our project from all of our tests. So let's go here to Supabase. First I will go to storage and I will just delete everything, okay? Because you're also paying for it, by the way. You don't want to have too many stuff here. We are working with very small file sizes right now, so all good. And by the way, now that I deleted only the files, you will see that the thumbnails not going to present anymore, but the videos still exist. Oh, actually the thumbnails exist because of the cache. But basically to delete the actual videos, you need to delete the database of them. Okay, so you need here, in videos table, for example, to delete the rows. Okay, and let's make sure everything is clean. Okay, great. We cleaned up our project. As you can see, everything deleted. That's great. Let's implement the plan. And now let's jump in and just make one generation. Let's take a small video this time. This one is good. And let's see what will happen. Okay, so as you can see, we almost finished generating the content. I want you again to see what's going on. So we will make a new files in our storage. We'll make new optimized audio, new transcripts, new subtitles, new thumbnails, and so on. The other ones we actually will need to delete probably later on. Then it will create a new row in the video table. I see it's creating two, which is bad. We need to fix it. As you can see, it generated all the captions. Everything is already working. And if I will go to history, yeah, for some reason it's doing it duplicated and one of them is not assigned properly. So if we will go here to the history, you will see I have subtitles download button, metadata download button, and now we want to make sure this thing can go as the title of this thing. So we already sent, yeah, and it already worked, as you can see. Now the title is the YouTube title. That's what we just sent to Lovable to do. He's asking us to refactor also the history component. Let's do it. And now we need to fix the fact that for some reason for every upload we have a duplicated process. Okay, it's making another one which is like blank. So let's write to him. Every time we upload a video, we have two generations for some reason. One is perfect with all the functions and the metadata, and the other one produce duplicated thumbnail, optimized audio, and video row in the videos table. I suspect it's because previously we had a simulation flaw and maybe it's still doing it in the same time with our current real API AI flow, something like that. Let's try it. For now I will ignore this error. Let's see what he's saying about that. Okay, he made a plan. I did for him implement the plan. And will we move on? Okay, so look like it's fixed. Let me show you. So again, we had a duplicated upload process. One was for simulation, one was the actual upload process. So now, if I will upload something, doesn't matter what, you will see we will have only one video or audio file uploaded, but only one thumbnail. Let's wait until it finishes. Great, and now I will go to history and you will see we have only one project.
That will never
Perfect. Change. So everything is working quite good now. I feel like we're in a good point. I feel like our app is really useful already. I think let's create few videos, make sure those fields working. Also doing some Q&A, making sure our app working great. And then we can proceed to the final steps, which is like a payment integration, user roles and such. So let me first upload here a few videos, small videos, just for testing. So one of them will be a long video, it will be this one. Okay, so as you can see, everything worked as planned. We have a really cool title, we have the video, I can download the subtitles, the metadata, I can play it. Perfect, let's upload 2 more and we'll continue.